Ted Conley, the Senior Director of E-commerce and Business Development at Kobayashi. It's a 100-year-old Japanese consumer products company. We operate the U.S. subsidiary here in the U.S. with offices in the Chicago area. The teams that work directly under me, the e-commerce and the business development marketing operations teams. We interface between the sales organization and the manufacturing organization and several other departments within the company to make sure that our artwork and all of our artwork and packaging related projects are approved and go through their design phases. And we also use Workzone to connect all the different departments within the team in manufacturing and developing products from a project management standpoint. So we have a widely distributed group of people that are in multiple sites, multiple departments, in different companies. So Workzone kind of glues us together in terms of projects, particularly on the product side. We used just an array of off-the-shelf productivity tools. So anything from basic email systems. Think about project status meetings, weekly status meetings, and a few other tools that were not connected together. So because we're have a distributed resource base, we have people in multiple sites that need to see material, see project timelines, to be able to collaborate, to be able to comment. We were looking for a tool that would kind of pull that all together. And after reviewing several products, Workzone was the one that we chose. So that was about 12 years ago. For me, I think it's a lot of the reporting tools allow me to get a pretty good sense of where the overall project scope is right now, the scope of projects that are kind of operating, where things may be starting to fall behind schedule, so we can kind of get out and address that before it becomes an issue. And the ability for all of the commenting and all the collaborative work that takes place within the platform across a broad base of teams that are in multiple geographic areas. So it's been very helpful for us to kind of keep it all glued together. It's flexible enough and it's been adaptable for us, right? To adapt to our growing company and the different roles that we've added, as we've grown across all those different geographic sites. I think the ability to customize the tool has been one that has recently been much more beneficial. We've been able to customize it to really tailor it to the way that we operate and the way that we do business. There's always something new that is around the corner that we're made aware of in our regular review meetings with Workzone, with our account team. So the tools add a lot of capabilities and a lot of extra actionable improvements that kind of help us, kind of improve in our workflows as well. So I think when we kind of look back to where we started and where we are today, I think Workzone has grown tremendously over the time frame. I think the added benefit of regular communication points with our Workzone team, we've been able to provide feedback to the team about things that will be more helpful. And you look not too far after, then they're starting to roll those improvements out. So we've had a long history of using the tool a little bit differently than the way Workzone originally kind of launched, and the tool has kind of wrapped around us as we've kind of grown. So any of our strong suggestions that were echoed by other Workzone customers seem to have been responded to and then built into the platform. I would say subjectively, kind of looking at the process, from before and after, it did allow us to kind of move through quicker, right? And it did allow better communication within the team because everything was easy to reference all in one place. And so, for reducing the amount of contact points to figure out where a project was, right? And, where is the next step, right? When is the final release date for material? Any one of our stakeholders could actually go to Workzone as that central hub and kind of understand all of that. But it did help us move a little bit quicker and to get everyone on the same page.